This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you let a video autoplay in Squarespace? I'm going to show you how to do that. So pretty much what I've done, I'm not using the video module in Squarespace. What I'm using is just a regular code module, and I've pulled the embed code from YouTube. This is just a dummy video that I pulled from YouTube. So once you have your embed code, whether it's Vimeo or YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make this autoplay. Now, just so you know, autoplay videos are going to be muted, okay? They're not going to have any sound with them. If you're okay with that, you can go ahead and proceed. So what you're going to do is, here's my code block and here's my iframe from the embed, okay? What you're going to do is go into the URL right before the closing quotation mark, and you're going to put question mark autoplay equals 1, right? And then hit apply. And there you go. Now you see that my video is automatically playing. I hope that helps, and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.